Hi, Annalise. What are you doing? You watching Sesame Street? You're eating your cereal? You like the nuts? Those are good. What are we going to do today? Well, we're going to go have lunch with Mama. And Aunt Dee Dee, yeah. And me, Mom. The kitty cat went night-night? Is that what's going on? Yeah, we'll go see it in a minute. The doggies go night-night? No. Oh, they do? Okay, good.